friends, welcome back to Easy to Learn Tech and thank you for watching all my previous video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to talk about the optional error what we get in our Samsung air conditioning unit. In most of the time when you change the PCB of your indoor unit or the outdoor unit, that time it shows the optional error in our system. Because when we change the PCB of indoor or outdoor, that time if the communication between both the PCB is not perfect, that time we have to use this method and we can do the optional setting, and then our communication between our indoor unit and the outdoor unit PCB will be both similar. Keep watching the video till the last, because in this video I am going to tell you step by step how easily you can do the optional error setting in your Samsung air conditioning. Let's go. Without wasting the time, let's start the video. In previous video, I have shown you 60,000 BTU optional error setting. In this video, I will show you 12,000 BTU Samsung air conditioning option setting. For this, first of all, we have to use our remote. As you can see, our remote is in normal mode. We can on and off. This is the normal mode. First of all, we have to bring this remote into the optional setting mode. For that, you have to remove the battery from the back side. As you can see, I have removed the battery. On the front, we have to off the remote because it will be on the standby same position. Then you have to press continuously plus minus temperature and keep it on hold continuously. Then insert your battery. After inserting battery, you can see our optional setting mode has been appeared in the remote. Let's close the cover. As you can see, it's auto 00 and on. Mostly to set the optional error code, we have to use maximum fan up button and fan down button and mode button. And previous video I have explained you which side we have to use which button. On the left side we have to use fan down button, and on the right side we have to use fan up button. If you have to change any digit on the left side, then you have to use fan down button, and whenever you have to set the digit on the right side, then you have to use the fan top button. Again we have to reset now, otherwise you can bring it into 0 and 0, then also it will work. As you can see, I am bringing on 0 0. Now you can see it's auto 0 0. In auto 0 0, we have to put on the left side we have to put 3, on the right side we have to put 0, and it should be on. As you can see, 1 2 3, it is 30 now, 30 in auto mode. Then you have to press mode. Then we have to go on cool mode. On cool mode it is showing 0 0 and on, and the cool mode let it be 0 0 and on as per the option code. Next we have to press again mode. Then we have to go to the dry mode. On the dry mode we should put here 07. 7 should be on the right side, that's why we have to use the top button of the fan. 5 6 7. As you can see, it's 7 here. On dry mode it should be 07 on. Then again we have to press the mode. After pressing the mode, it has come to fan mode. It's 00 on. In the fan mode we have to bring C0, means on the left side it should be C, on the right side it should be 0. First we have to bring C0. C, on the right side we have to bring now 2. It means on the fan mode first we have to bring C0, then we have to bring C2. Now again we have to go to the next mode. Next mode, press mode button. It's become heat. On heat we have to put 60, means on the left side 6 and 0 is on now. 6 0. After 60 we have to bring 6C. Then we have to press the top button. Now you can see our heat mode has become into 2, 60 and 6C. Our on mode optional setting for all the mode has been completed now. Now we have to select for the off mode. Again you have to press mode. Then you can see it has come auto 00 and it has come to the off mode now. In off mode we have to put, in auto off mode we have to put first of all 80. On the left side we have to put 8. On the left side we have put 8 now. Now it's 80 now. And on the right side we have to put 3. it means it become 83. And on the next mode again we have to bring on the cool mode. Cool mode is on the off mode. In the cool mode we have to bring 10. Oh, by mistake I have put 1 here. Then again we have to bring this one up to 0. As you can see, I have bring up to 0. Here we have to put 10. 10 means 1 0 on the left side. 1 is 10 now. Then again we have to press the mode, because we have to set again for the another mode. And now it has become to dry mode. On the dry mode we have to keep 0 0. Again we have to press mode. On the fan mode also we have to keep 0 0. And on the heat mode we have to also keep 0 0. After doing on and off for this one, then we have to check all the parameter what we get here, and just go on pressing mode. Then you can see all the 10 modes in on and off. You can check here. Now you can see it's come auto 30 what we have put previously. Is cool 0 0, dry 07, and fan C2, heat 63, auto so 83, cool 10, dry 0 0, fan 0 0, heat 0 0. It means our optional setting what we have put is correct. After setting the optional code, then you have to press the on button. After pressing on button, you will hear a voice of beep from the window. If it doesn't beep, again you have to switch the button on. If you press the button on again, if it beeps, it's well and good. If it doesn't beep, then again twice we have to put this optional code, and you can press the button on button, then automatically it will get set and you can start the unit.